Hi, good morning. Today is August 29th and Thursday. It's raining hard outside and typhoon is coming in my town. Maybe today is tonight. And yesterday, my husband was supposed to work overtime as usual, so I had to take care of my two kids by myself. And when I left my office, I realized I was out of harm. I recently my two kids are really into eating rice bowl with ham. So I I always keep ham in our fridge. But yesterday I realized we are out of ham, so I had to go grocery shopping. So before I pick them up from nursery, I went to grocery shopping. But typhoon was coming in Japan, so in, at the supermarket there are so many people, and I saw many people buying a lot of things like cup noodle or something. Yeah, maybe probably they try to keep more stuff like food uh, for typhoon. You know what I mean? So I really want to buy ham, so I got them and pick them up from nursery, and I cooked dinner for my family, and I cooked uh, omelette, or something, and after that we took a bath together, and I thought, how come we could go through everything smoothly without my husband? To be honest, I'm not gonna lie. So maybe if you are mom, maybe you feel the same feeling, you know. Yeah. So every time we can go through everything smoothly without my husband. When my husband at home, I don't know. It takes so long for everything for some reason. I don't know why. Yeah. Anyway, and this morning my two daughters ate rice bowl wrapped with ham. I don't think it looks delicious, but they really like it. Yeah. So I I don't mind. I don't mind what they eat this morning. Especially it's important to it's important to get ready smoothly. Yeah, see you.